I tested over 100 AI image generators to figure out which are the best and easiest ones for making anime. While some of them were pretty bad, some of them even charged over $40 and produced low-quality results. Don't worry, I'm only going to show you the best one that produces legit high-quality images and videos. The AI tool I'm about to show you is not only to generate high-quality images, you can edit, train LoRa, and also turn your image into a stunning video in just a single click. The AI tool I'm talking about is PixAI. PixAI is an AI anime-style image generation tool that enables users to quickly create high-quality images, anime characters with unique and consistent settings. With PixAI, creators can generate high-quality images, customizable anime illustrations, and apply them to character design and long-term creative projects. I will drop the link for you in the description below for you to try. Once you click on the link, you will land on the homepage like this. Make sure you register to have access. This is where the magic happens. You can generate an image directly from here or click on the generation icon at the side panel. You can click on the following icons to switch to the feature you want. We have other settings at the right side, which I will be showing one by one. Let's create some images. To get the result you want, you must structure your prompt with a detailed description of whatever you want to generate. Let's start with something simple. If you type any letter, PixAI is going to suggest different elements you can use in your prompt like this. Once you are done, click on Generate and wait a second, the image will be generated. Super impressive high-quality images. Even with the few prompts, PixAI generates high-quality images for us. Now let's spice things up. Let's go back to the prompt box. You need to describe what you want to generate. Make sure you write the detailed description of the character, including the character's basic traits. Turn on the prompt helper and auto-complete to enhance your prompt. At the side panel, we have some settings to customize. You select the model of your choice, select the LoRa you want to use, scroll down, and choose the aspect ratio of your choice. After, click on the generation button and watch PixAI doing its magic. Super fantastic. The tool generates 4 different high-quality images, ultra-realistic, very high resolution. PixAI creates anime characters with unique and consistent settings. It keeps the character identity consistent, very detailed appearance. The tool keeps everything visible. This is one of the best AI tools to generate exactly what you ask for. To accurately render a character, adding a LoRa can achieve the same effect. Click on Show More LoRas. You can search for a character LoRas in the market. The LoRa you can use depends on the chosen model. If you switch models, some LoRa may become incompatible. Now let's add a Kafka character LoRa. Once you see the one that fits your project, click on Confirm Selection. Your chosen LoRa will appear like this. The character will resemble the original character more closely, and their traits will remain consistent. This is very helpful for changing characters' clothing. If you want to change the character's clothing, it is important to delete any clothing description from the prompt. Then click on Show More LoRa, click on Flitters, and add a clothing LoRa. This will allow you to modify the character outfit while keeping their traits intact, and you won't need to write or input anything further. The tool will generate the result that resembles the original character. PixAI supports a wide range of anime-focused models and is backed by a well-established LoRa ecosystem, enabling creators to easily select the right tools for their intended style and use case. You can also train your own LoRa in just a single click. Click on Train Your Own LoRa above. It will take you to this page. Make sure you have at least 10 training images. Make sure they are high quality because the quality of your training images directly affects how good your LoRa will be. Upload all the images to the website. These are the images I'm going to use. Make sure every image shows the character's signature traits, hair color, eye shape, and others. Fuzzy images confuse AI. Make sure you name your LoRa. Write the name of your LoRa, select the base model. Your base model is like the foundation of your LoRa. For high quality anime style, I select Illustrious Model. Scroll down and provide all the trigger words in the box below. Trigger words are like the secret password to unlock your LoRa's full potential. Make sure you focus on important features like eye color, unique markings, signature accessories, hairstyle, hair color. Scroll down and click on Start Training. PixAI will begin the generation process immediately. The LoRa will be available within a few minutes. As you can see, our LoRa is available. Click on Use LoRa to test the LoRa we just created. Provide the prompt in the prompt box. Scroll down, you will see the LoRa we just created. After, click on Generate. Let's see what the tool will generate for us. Super impressive, ultra realistic, highly detailed character. They all have the same facial identity. The quality is really impressive. Everything looks very clean and high resolution. This is how you can create your own character LoRa within a minute. This is the exact process you will follow to create other other LoRa. You can use the Reference Pro feature to edit and combine images based on uploaded reference images. Click the plus icon to upload your reference image. You can upload as much as you like. I am going to upload 2 reference images. I want PixAI to create a short visual story of 3 scenes and make the 2 characters consistent throughout the scene. I paste the prompt to the prompt box. Make sure the PixAI Reference Pro model is selected, scroll down and select your desired resolution, then click on Generate, wait a few seconds and watch PixAI doing its magic. Super fantastic result, we have the 2 characters consistent in all the 3 scenes. Reference Pro enables creators to edit and combine images based on uploaded reference materials through natural language understanding and multi-image holistic analysis. It is designed to preserve character consistency, visual stability, and complex compositions while delivering high-fidelity results. You can also combine 2 or more reference images to create a stunning character. I upload 3 different reference images. Then I ask the AI to keep the character from image 1, use the outfit from the second image, and the pose from the third image. I hit the generation button and here's the result. Super fantastic. The tool does exactly what I asked for. It combines the 3 images to create a single character. This approach allows creators to extend the value of their existing works and maintain long-term creative continuity. You can quickly modify existing images using natural language commands by using the Flow Edit feature. Click on the new workspace above, click to choose an image from the library or upload the image directly from your computer. Select the image you want to use. This is the image I want to edit. Write what you want the AI to do for you. I asked the PixAI to keep everything the same, but change the hair color to blue. And here's the result. Very impressive. The hair color has been changed without affecting the style or facial identity. This feature supports precise local adjustments, style preservation, and iterative refinement, giving creators total control over details without the need to redraw from scratch. I upload another image, then I click on Quick Tools, click on Tools. You can easily select what you want without writing the prompt, and the tool will do exactly what you ask for. Very impressive. These feature editing capabilities are particularly suited for creators who want to avoid repeatedly starting from zero. PixAI ensures that existing character assets continue to deliver long-term value, enabling creators to build, refine, and expand their world's efficiency over time. You can also chat with Mio Agent to edit, generate images and videos. Mio Agent is an AI-powered creative assistant designed to support users throughout their entire creative process. Click on the Mio Agent icon. It will take you to this page. Write what you want the AI agent to do for you. If you click on Style, there are different styles to choose from. Select the feature that fits what you want to create below. You can create images, edit images, or generate videos. Just communicate your ideas through conversational input, and Mio Agent will interpret your intent and translate it into actionable creative steps. Super impressive, very high quality. Mio Agent understands creative intent through natural language dialogue and actively assists with both content generation and editing in an interactive manner. PixAI is not just an AI image generator. You can also turn your images into stunning videos. Click on the video feature. Select the model that fits your project. Upload the image you want to turn into video. Select the mode between basic and professional. Select your desired duration. Write the motion prompt in the box below. Click on camera feature to choose your desired camera movement. After, click on generate. The tool will generate the video for you within a few seconds like this. Super impressive. The subject expresses herself with a very smooth animation. Camera zooms slowly. PixAI understands different camera movements. I upload another image and provide the motion prompt to the prompt box, and here's the result. Very fantastic. It looks very realistic. The hands movement looks very natural and realistic. PixAI delivers a more seamless and tailored creative experience.